Hi, I'm Josh Diekman.
And I'm Susie Berglund.
And we're going to talk to you about our
K-12
product
products. Let's start with our cheese sauces. So we have 3 different varieties of shelf-stable cheese sauce. So we have our Mucho Queso Jalapeno cheese sauce, we have our Ultimate Cheddar cheese sauce, and we have our Ultimate White cheese sauce.
They're all shelf-stable. All of them 3 ounce equals 1 meat alternate.
There's 35 servings per pouch. And we find that 3 ounces is a really nice coverage for things like rice bowls, noodle bowls. If you're gonna be adding other ingredients to it, like an additional protein or vegetables, you don't skimp on the sauce, right? You still get a really nice saucy end product.
Starting with our Ultimate White sauce. Now our Ultimate White sauce works great. It's our most versatile cheese sauce that we have. You can do so many different things with it. It works great plain right out of the pouch. For example, as an Alfredo sauce, this is just served plain right onto the Alfredo sauce. You can spruce it up if you want to add a couple low sodium seasonings on top of this, but works fantastic just right on its own.
Our Ultimate White is kind of like our mother sauce. You really can use it as a base and a building block for a lot of different recipes. If it's going to be soups, if it's going to be sandwiches, if you're going to have it as a drizzle, if you're going to have it as a spread. So if you go to LandO'LakesFoodservice.com, you will see a lot of different options that you can use all of our cheese sauces for.
We also have 2 types of yellow sauce pouches, the Ultimate Cheddar sauce and the Mucho Queso Jalapeno sauce.
All of them are super strong players on their own. Our Ultimate Cheddar can be used not only for nachos, but it can also be used for macaroni and cheese, or even some like a cheddar broccoli soup or something like that. You can really expand a lot of your options with these cheese sauces. Our Mucho Queso, it has a little bit more of a kick if you want to add a little bit more, and those 2 can actually be used interchangeably for quite a few recipes.
The cheddar sauce right on top of cold pasta, and it can be frozen, it can be sent home, reheated later, it can be sent home and from the refrigerator and microwave instructions sent home. So there's a lot of things you can do with these cheese sauces. So the one thing with Land O'Lakes, we have a lot of different products, but our cheese sauces really stand out, and there's so many different applications you can do with them.
Some of my favorite recipes that use the Land O'Lakes cheese sauces would have to be the 3-ingredient queso, the curry chicken salad, the chicken tortilla soup, the Alfredo sauce, and then, of course, the Mucho Queso breakfast bowl.
Some of my favorite with the cheese sauces, Mucho Queso breakfast bowl is pretty awesome. I also love like the Latin Tacho bowl, the white chicken chili, pot pie is a good one, and the country queso over biscuits. That's got to be one of my favorite ones.
Macaroni and cheese, we have 5 different SKUs of macaroni and cheese. So really anything that would fit the menu that you're looking to put together. So we have a product with semolina noodle, we have whole grain options, we have reduced fat and reduced sodium options.
Now all you do is slack this out, refrigerate it overnight, basically. We get it slacked up, and these are originally, traditionally in a steamer, boil in the bag, heat it on the stove, something like that to your temperature, 165 or over, and then serve that way. What's great about this is that you can also serve this from the cold state. So things like the mac and cheese can be portioned cold, it can be frozen, and we have instructions both in English and Spanish on how to reheat these at home. And it's a great way, if you have extra pantry items, it's a great way to utilize some extra pantry items, because anything you put in mac and cheese is gonna be good. And it all heats up and microwaves together very well.
Some of my favorite recipes that use our fully prepared macaroni and cheese would have to be the Korean-inspired macaroni and cheese bowl, our macaroni and cheese bites, our curry mac, and then of course the all-American cheeseburger macaroni and cheese.
The All-American cheeseburger mac and cheese is probably my favorite right now. I like to put dill pickles cut up on top. I think that one, the crunch, the acid, that one really comes through with me. Really like the Fiesta mac and cheese. The buffalo chicken mac and cheese is great, really good. Southwest, I mean, you can put anything on mac and cheese and it's gonna taste good. Our mac and cheese products hold up really well. I really do like those.
So then moving on, we also have our bulk cheese options. So we have our shredded cheese. So we have mozzarella, we have American, and we have a mild cheddar. We also have bulk cubes. So you have your Colby, and then you have your cheddar. So those are some great options to use. For example, if you wanted to do like a really fun, a tater tot type of thing where you can heat it up and you've got nice pools of cheese in there, that's great. You can use shreds or bulk cubes for that. That's a really fun option. we also have some really great individually wrapped grab-and-go items as well. So we know that that is a sweet spot right now for a lot of schools where you can just take these individually wrapped products and partner them with other ingredients, put them in a bag, and send them either to the classroom or home. We also have our cheese sauce dip cups. So again, another 3-ounce portion, 1 meat alternate. They can be used interchangeably with that cheese sauce pouch.
And then also our cracker cuts. Our cracker cuts are nice little squares of cheese for a meat alternate. And these work great just plain in a bento box or protein packs, but also work really well in things like sandwiches and hoagies and sliders. Work great cold and they work great melted. This natural cheese product is a lot of fun, and there's a lot of great things you can do with this.
As you can see, we've got options that can be frozen. We have refrigerated options. We have shelf-stable options. Really any kind of storage scenario that you have, any kind of menu offering that you're looking for. Our products offer a lot of versatility. It gives a lot of creativity, but it can also be something incredibly simple as far as just open the pouch and use it and either refrigerate it or heat it up for service. So we hope that you found this helpful. And again, if you have any other questions, please reach out or visit us at landolakesfoodservice.com. Thank you.